Welcome all of you. Here you will learn to solve quadratic equation by using factorization method, quadratic formula, completing square method and nature of roots. Now we will start with factorization method. We can write this equation as 1x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, where 1 is coefficient of x square, 5 is coefficient of x and 6 is constant term. Now we have to think two numbers so that product and sum is equal to, means product is first into third, means first is 1 and third is 6, means 1 multiply 6 is 6, and sum should be center, or you can say that coefficient of x, that is 5. So you can think two numbers so that product is 6 and sum is 5. So you will find out 2, 3, or you can find out by factorization like this. 6 factor of 6 are from divide by 2 will be 3, cause 2 3s are 6, and after that 3 1s are 3. You can write as 2 multiple, or you can write 2 multiply 3 is 6. So we will split middle term, or we can say coefficient of x 5 in two parts like this. 1 x square, or we can write third one is 6 is equal to 0. This 5 we will split, or we will break in two numbers. Those numbers are 2 and 3. We can write as plus 2x plus 3x. Why we are writing x with 2 or x with 3? Because it is 5x like this. 2x plus 3x is 5x. After this we will make pairs like this. So we can write, we can say that coefficient of x square is 1 and coefficient of x is 2. So we can take common. Common will be x. So we can write x plus 2, and here you can find out common 3. We can write plus 3. So it will be x plus 2. You can check also, x multiply x is x square, x multiply 2 is 2x, 3 multiply x is 3x, and 3 multiply 2 is 6. After this you can write x plus 3 and x plus 2 is equal to 0, or you can take common x plus 2 from both. X plus 2 will be common, and you can write x plus 3. So it will be x plus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. After this you have to find value of x. So it will be x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0, because both are multiple. So we can write x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. From here we will say that x plus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. We can write x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0, because x plus 3 and x plus 2 are multiples. So from here you can find x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to minus 2, because when 3 will go to the right hand side it will be minus 3 and 2 will be minus 2. So it was factorization method. So roots of this quadratic equations are minus 3 and minus 2. Now we will solve this question by using quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where a, b, c are: a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is a constant. So we can write a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 6. So we will put these values in this quadratic formula. So you can write minus value of b is 5 plus minus square root b square, means 5 square, minus 4 into a. Value of a is 1 and value of c is 6 divide by 2a. 2 into, we can write multiply by a is 1. So it will be minus 5 plus minus square root 5 square is 5 5s are 25 minus 4 into 1 4 4 6 are 24 and here 2 ones are 2. So it will be minus 5 plus minus square root 25 minus 24 is 1 divided by 2, or you can write minus 5 plus minus square root of 1 is 1 cause 1 ones are 1. So it will be minus 5 plus minus 1 upon 2, and after this it will be minus 5 plus 1 upon 2 minus 5 minus 1 upon 2, cause one time you will write plus and one time you will write minus. Two answer will be there. So minus 5 plus minus or plus 1 will be plus minus minus 5 minus 1 is 4 minus 4 upon 2, and here it will be minus minus plus 5 and 1 are 6 upon 2, and sign will be greater. 5 sign is minus, so it will be minus 6 by 2. When you cut 4 by 2 it will be 2 and it will be 3. So answers are minus 2 comma minus 3. So we will solve this question by using completing square method. For this we have to remember this formula: a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So to remember, at first we have to see at first only two terms, x square and 5x. So we will write like this: x whole square, this x square as x whole square, where x is value of a. So value of a is x, plus compare with this formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So value of a is x, plus here it is written 2 bracket, it is written a. So what is the value of a? Value of a is x. Now what will be value of b? So you have to compare this by 5x. So what we have to write here? 2 multiply x multiply which number? Means what will be value of b? So that it will be 5x. So we will have 5 divided by 2. Cos 2 cut with 2, it will be 5x. So it will be a square plus 2a into b plus. Now we are having two values. Value of a is x and value of b is 5 divided by 2. So we have to make this formula a plus b whole square, means value of a is x and value of b is 5 by 2, means x plus 5 by 2 whole square. So we need here b square. So what is the value of b? Value of b is 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 whole square plus and 5 by 2 whole square minus. Cos plus minus minus, we can cut 5 by 2 whole square with 5 by 2 whole square. We need this one. Cos a square plus 2ab plus b square. So after this third one is plus 6. Completing square means we have to complete formula. It should be a plus b whole square. So we are having x plus 5 by 2 whole square, where value of x is a and value of 5 by 2 is b. So it is minus this one 5 by 2 whole square plus 6. After this, x plus 5 by 2 whole square minus, it will be 5 by 2 whole square, means 5 by 2 multiply 5 by 2 will be 25 by 4 plus 6. You can write this equation as x plus 5 by 2 whole square, right, like this, plus 6 minus 25 by 4. You can take LCM. X plus 5 by 2 whole square, it will be plus 24 minus 25. After this you can write here x plus 5 by 2 whole square. This one same. It will be 24 minus 25 will be minus 1. Minus 1 divided by 4. It will be x by 5 by 2 whole square. It will be 1 divided by 2 whole square, because 1 divided by 2 multiply 1 divided by 2, 1 ones are 1 and 2 twos are 4. It will be 1 by 2 whole square. Now remember one formula, a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So put values here. What is the value of a? Value of a is x plus 5 by 2. Value of a is x plus 5 by 2. And what is the value of b? Is 1 by 2. From here you can compare. So we can write a plus b into a minus b. So we can write a plus b into a minus b. So what the value of a is? X plus 5 by 2 plus b is 1 by 2. Bracket a minus b. A is x plus 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2. It will be x plus, you can take LCM, it will be 6 by 2, and it will be 5 minus 1 is 4 by 2. You can cut 2 by 6, it will be 3, and it will be 2. It is equal to 0. So x plus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. You can find out x plus 3 is equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0. From here you can find x is equal to minus 3, x equal to minus 2. So root of quadratic equation are minus 3 comma minus 2. Now we will start with nature of roots. So remember that formula, quadratic formula, that was minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now nature of roots are of three types. First one is b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Second one is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Third one is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. When you will get answer b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then you will say that no real roots. Because when we put this value here in this formula, in quadratic formula, it will be in square root. When value this value will be negative, means less than 0, then it will be negative in square root. That will not be real number. So till now you have not learned in this class square root of a negative number. For example, square root of minus 5. This topic you will understand, you will learn in next standard, in 11th standard. For information, this one is an imaginary number. We can write this one as root 5 iota, where iota is root minus 1. There is no need to learn in this standard, it's just for your information, so that you can understand why no real roots are there. Now next one is b square minus 4ac greater than 0. When you will put this value here in quadratic formula, you will get two answers. One will be positive and one will be negative. Then you can say that distinct real roots. Now third one is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. When you will put this value here in quadratic formula, then you will get this answer as 0, because it is 0. Then you will get only one answer, minus b upon 2a. Or you can say that real and equal roots. Now you know in quadratic equation you are getting two answers, because power of variable is 2. Now you know in quadratic equation you are getting two answers cause power of variable is always 2. So two equal answers you will get. Now we'll solve these three parts: nature of roots. First one was no real root, second distinct real root, and third is real and equal root. So I'll give you three examples. First one is this one, 2x square minus 3x plus 5. So you can get value, you can put value here in b square minus 4ac. What is the value of a, what is the value of b, and what is the value of c? This one is value of a, this one is value of b, this one value of c. So you can put here what is the value of b? Minus 3. So it is b square minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a. What is the value of a? Value of a is 2. What is the value of c? Value of c is 5. So you will get minus 3 whole square. Minus 3 into minus 3 is 9. So minus 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. You will get here minus 31. You can find out here it is negative, means it is minus 31. When you are getting less than 0, you can say that it is no real roots. Now next example is this one, 3x square minus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. So you can put here in b square minus 4ac. You can write what is the value of b is minus 5, value of a is 3, and value of c is minus 2. So b square is minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a is 3 and value of c is minus 2. So it is 25. Minus into minus is plus. So 4 3 are 12, 12 2s are 24. It will be 25 plus 24 is 49, which is greater than 0. So you can say that it is greater than 0, means distinct and real roots. Now next one is 16x square minus 40x plus 25 equal to 0. So value of a is 16, value of b is minus 40, and value of c is 25. You can put here in b square minus 4ac. So b square is minus 40 whole square minus 4 into a is 16, and value of c is 25. So minus 40 whole square is 1600. So minus 4 into 16 is 64. 64 multiplied 25 is 1600. So 1600 minus 1600 is 0. So when you are getting answer 0, you can say that real and equal roots. So subscribe, share, and if you like this video, please comment down in comment box. And for more uploads, you can check playlist also. So we'll be here soon for next upload. Thanks for watching.